different situation inequalities, x plus 2y greater than by 10 है ना, x लेजर इक्वल टू 3 या और ले लो दूसरा नंबर 4 और y ग्रेटर देन बाय 1. ठीक है. सो अलग अलग these are the four inequalities in the terms of linear programming. These are known as the constraints है ना. ये constraints होती है सारी, inequalities होती है. You have to plot on the graph paper है ना. So as I told you कि for the plotting of the inequalities just you take the help of the equation. So first try to convert in the form of equation x plus whether ये equal less than by 5 और greater than by 5, जिससे छोटा है या जिससे बड़ा है ना, आपको उसकी हेल्प लेना है ना. Now x plus 2y equal to 10, x equal to 4 and y equal to क्या आगे बेटा 1. So now these are the four equation. First you find the solution of the equation and then plot the line of this equation on the graph paper. So what are the solution? Directly you can say 0, 5 and the 5, 0 are the most convenient and the suitable solution. Okay, 0, 5 and the 5, 0. Okay, with the help of the two line है ना, there are infinite many lines passes through the one point, but through the two points the unique line is passes. So ये आप convenient solution हो गया. Similarly you can say that here also if I am taking x equal to 0 है ना, ये 0 थोड़ा सा आसान होता है. x equal to 0 then y will be the 5. If I am taking y equal to 0 so x will be the 10. थोड़ा सा बड़ा हो गया बाकी है ना x axis पे. So this is one of the convenient solution. X equal to 4 is x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. Okay, so first plot on the graph paper. Graph paper को आपको उसको plot करना है, तो I'm taking है ना. So this is graph paper. In the graph paper, this है ना, I am writing these inequalities are here. X plus y less than by 5, x plus y 2y greater than by 10, x less or equal to by 4 and y greater or equal to by 1. So number one by one just you complete the inequality, but first you take the points of the first equation and plot the first inequality है ना. So what are the points 0, 5 and 5, 0. So I am taking maximum 10 is available is here. So do one thing, just you take the scale on the x axis such that one you can choose the scale as per your choice. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is no negative one. So I am taking 0, 5. 0, 5, 0, 5, x, the value of x is 0, 0, 5, 5, 0. Okay, you know very well about this and you have to plot the inequality है ना बेटा. अब सीधी सीधी बात है बेटा, inequality there are the infinite many solution of the inequality. So do one thing, just you check if this line divides the plane into the two parts, so which portion is for this line. So do one thing, just you check the one point. Here I can choose the origin. Suppose I am putting the value origin 0, 0 here. So 0 plus 0 which is equal to the 0 and 0 is less than by 5. This solution is satisfied to the, and this origin is the solution of this side है ना. So therefore the downward portion of the inequality will be the solution. Okay, I hope it is clear to you in class 11th only, but this I am revising the thing. Second thing is the by default 0, 5 is the solution of this inequality. So I am taking here 0 5. So this is 0 5 0 5 and another one is the 10 0 10 0. You also mention the solution 10 0. Okay. Again I am putting the origin. It is one of the convenient solution for us. If I am putting the origin here 0 plus 0 0 plus 0, so which is equal to 0 and 0 is greater than by 10. Means my assumption was that origin is the solution of the given inequality. But when I put it the origin here into the solution, into the inequality, but what I got that the 0 is greater than 10. It is the universally false है ना, ये मतलब तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. तो मतलब जो मैंने माना था वो गलत माना. इसका मतलब है कि अबव पोर्शन ऑफ द लाइन इज द सॉल्यूशन. ठीक है, अबव पोर्शन क्या आ गया आपका सॉल्यूशन आ गया. नंबर 3, थर्ड इज द x लेस देन बाय 4. तो बेटा आई एम टेकिंग थर्ड वन, x लेस देन बाय 4. The left hand side of the this one, and I have only 3 colors, not 4. So x y greater than equal to 1. Okay, so beta this portion है ना, so here this portion है ना, ये just you can see here, you can observe here है ना कि this portion it is the common above portion. It should be above of this line. It should be above of this line. It should be the below of this line. Means this one triangular zone till infinity. It is the common and the bounded, non-bounded solution for the given constraints. I hope so. It is clear to you. Means in this chapter we have to find and the inequalities है ना, मतलब first you have to make the constraints and then plot on the graph paper and then find the common solution by plotting these inequalities on the graph paper. Then after we have to find the some values from the graph, from this graph that I will explain into the next video, and then put the values into the objective function. We have to make the from the objective function from the question. So beta now I am doing the classwork to you. So do one thing, homework to you. Do one thing, this exercise number first. Just you solve it, and then after we will discuss. Today is the Monday. Tomorrow I have the class, online class in your group. So we will discuss in the class only. And whatever be the problem, just you ask. Thank you. Thank you very much.